This is Siri, and today we are doing a textured bob. Starting in the back, taking a horizontal section below the occipital bone and cutting a length that increases from the centre to behind the ear. Taking parallel sections to the nape and directing each new section to the first, my vertical lengths are increasing, combing the hair to natural fall and cutting an external length in line with the jaw. Once the hair has been blow dried, I begin to refine the external length. Firstly, using a club cutting technique to remove length, and then refining using a chipping technique to polish the shape. Using tension, I begin to cut an external length that sits over the top of the previously cut short hair. The length stays visually consistent from the back towards the front hairline. I continue to take parallel sections to the centre parting, combing each new section to the first. To remove weight, I'm using a serrated razor and gently using the tip of the blade to run through the hair, going through section by section. Once the hair has been dried using a diffuser, I move the hair around and visually refine the shape. And here's my finished look.
We're going to say like, subscribe,
Like,
share, comment and subscribe.
why don't you come in, show us how it's done, like both of you.
That's a really good
and then
idea.
we'll come back and then we'll replicate.
That is such a good idea.